Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through a complete beginner's roadmap to setting up and navigating Zoho CRM from scratch. When you first log into the platform, the sheer number of tabs and settings can feel completely overwhelming, but you only need to master 5 core modules to run a successful sales operation. Let us break down exactly how your data flows through the system. Your journey begins in the Leads module, which is your temporary staging area for raw, unqualified business prospects, like a stack of unverified business cards or random website form submissions. Once you contact a lead and confirm they have a genuine interest in your services, you will click the Convert button. Converting a lead automatically splits that single record into 3 distinct, interconnected buckets. First, it creates a contact, which holds the individual person's personal details, like their direct cell phone number and email address. Second, it creates an account, which acts as the company profile, where multiple individual contacts can be grouped together under one corporate umbrella. Third, it generates a deal, which is your active sales pipeline, where you track the actual revenue opportunity and its physical progress. To visualize this pipeline cleanly, switch your deal view over to the Kanban board layout, which arranges your opportunities into visual columns based on their current stage, allowing you to drag and drop deals forward as negotiations progress. To make the system work for you automatically, navigate straight to the Settings gear icon in the top right corner and click on Workflow Rules under the Automation section. Here, you can build simple triggers that text a notification to your phone when a massive deal is created, or instantly email a personalized follow-up sequence to a client the second a deal moves to the proposal stage. Finally, do not forget to connect your business mailbox using the native IMAP synchronization settings, which automatically logs every incoming and outgoing client email right inside their CRM profile. By mastering this specific flow of leads, contacts, accounts, deals, and automated workflows, you will completely eliminate data chaos and transform Zoho CRM into a highly organized, revenue-generating engine for your business. Subscribe the channel for more videos.